How to change account settings in FanDuel. If you wish to change your account settings on the FanDuel app, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the FanDuel Sportsbook application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. To change your account settings, first of all come to your account page by tapping the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, you'll see all of your account settings. Now depending upon what kind of settings that you wish to change, for example, you can choose to deposit money or withdraw money. You can tap on your profile, you can see some of your playable balance, you can view your balance details, you can choose to hide them, and so on. Under account, you can see this little option that is account settings, where you can simply choose to tap on it, and once you tap on the account settings option, you'll find a couple of more options where you can change options like your email, your password, and other details. You can even choose to verify your identity, and so on and so forth. This way you can change account settings in FanDuel. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.